Hello and welcome to Tech Slice. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and overview of, I'm going to mispronounce this like crazy, Seiun Player, which I pretty much just call this the player for the rest of the video. So, let's get started. Okay, so now to the unboxing. So on the front of the box we have the Seiun Player with it in different colours: silver, gold, gunmetal and rose gold. Bit of details here: expandable storage, a bit more about what audio it can play, Cyberdrive, on the side just high res and what model it is. On the back we got some information about content, so what colour, your music unleashed, a portable yet powerful high resolution audio player, wavelengths for the music, some tech specs. Okay, so then on the other side we've got Cyberdrive. So we just push out the side container, then we got a reflective Cyberdrive logo. Then we try and bring it down sort of like a Apple product. And right there we're greeted with the player itself. So taking that out of the box, just leave that to the side. We've then underneath this little tray here, we've just got a micro SD card, micro USB cable for charging, and a little note for SD cards, and actually a manual containing information in all different languages. Okay, so having a look at the player itself, on the front we have what I think is glass here, RS audio, can't pronounce that, I think maybe speakers, maybe, little LCD screen here. Side we've got micro SD, micro USB, then on the other side we've got power/record, flip it over the other way, volume up, back, next, back home. Back we just got some normal information about it, and it's made out of this nice high quality material. So now we just need to put a micro SD card in it. So now this accepts up to 128 gig micro SD cards. So you just push it in, and you'll hear a little click. Now just hold the record button to power it on. There you go, you got the screen turning on, and high res audio, just high res. It's just on the main menu here. If you click the record button to enter, you can then go through, browse your music by folder, or whatever. You can go back. Obviously no files on here. Then you can come in here. So then now this is a audio recording I'm doing. So now we'll have the test. So this is a test recording from the player, 122 kilohertz, 24-bit file. So this is the audio quality. Okay, so in settings also we got whether you want to go straight through your phone, your song names, or shuffle. Then we got our language. So it's a pretty simple system, and they say you can get around 12 hours of use on the player of music, so they'll be coming in the full review later. So guys, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you next one. Bye.